particular model does not have any good storage whatsoever. So that's what we want. We want storage is the biggest thing. I know I showed up here this morning and I said that I didn't think I had enough ideas. And then it snowballed really, really quick. And then I realized that we had plenty of ideas. We want some bags that basically keep our stuff from getting muddy, because when we're ripping in the mud, this thing's gonna be throwing mud everywhere. Yeah. So definitely that's part of it too, is just keeping stuff dry and clean. We don't have a good bag for the helmet at all. Mm-hmm. Most helmets come with just a really flimsy bag. And I try to look for some good helmet bags, but I really didn't find any that I liked. Mm-hmm. But I knew you guys make nice bags. So I was like, well, I'm just gonna wait on that. And one of the things too that's really common throughout the side-by-side world is people will have removable steering wheels mm-hmm. for security. And also if you wanna work on it or whatever, you know, it's nice to have that. I'd really like to see if we could make a helmet bag that would hold the helmet and the gloves and the goggles, and then also incorporate the steering wheel. Okay. Yeah, you know, in there.
And so this would be something that you would take with you when leaving the vehicle. Okay. Yep. Okay.
So we would have this in maybe the truck, or bring it up in the hotel. Even better if you bring it up in the hotel, because then it's nowhere near the machine.
Yeah.
Like, well, I really don't want to stand over their shoulder because I know how that is. So, you know what I mean?
You have to wait. I'm used to
I know, I'm not good at waiting. I'm bad at waiting.
So here's the helmet bag.
Looks awesome.
It zips open. Bam.
Wow.
Helmet goes in.
Yeah. Very nice.
Gloves, whatever, can sit on the side. So now we have to figure out a bag for this to attach it to the side. So it's gonna attach to the daisy chain here, the pouch that this is going to go in.
I was just looking at this.
If I make a pouch and then slip it inside.
I think an interior pouch. Yeah, it would probably be.
If that pouch is by itself, it'll easily drop in here.
Mm-hmm. So, I mean, looking at this now, I don't want to take away from...
No, you're good.
But
what do you want?
No, what we can do though is I have a laptop padded case with me. Done.
Do you want that?
Yeah, because why reinvent the wheel?
Does it fit in it?
Oh, perfectly.
Oh.
Yeah, so I don't want to create more work for you. Like,
because I can make one that attaches to the outside.
No, this is a perfect. No, this is a perfect dimension.
Yeah, there's really one little lump right here.
Yep.
You can tell.
I won't mention any brands, but there was a couple brands out there, but yeah, not for the money. And I didn't really like them. Yeah. You know what I mean? They're kind of gaudy looking, a little over the top. That is the thing that's so cool about your guys' stuff, is that, you know, it's quality for one, made in USA for two, but then, you know, it just has a really like simplistic like look to it, where it's, you know, it doesn't look over commercialized, and it's just very simple. Well, I don't know if we can do this or not. We've done something similar before. Okay. Babe, could you bring that in real quick and show her what we're talking about? All right. Oh, the jerky.
Oh. Oh, you want a jerky?
Do you know where I'm going with this? I don't know. So, there's a place right between the seats there that would just...
With nice little access points all around.
Now here, Chrissy brought this up. So Chrissy was saying that Cheez-Its would be good on the trail, but they don't mix with mud very well because they get soggy quick. So we figure beef jerky, mud, water, it don't really matter. It's not gonna get soggy. I mean, it gets soggy in your mouth anyways, right? So, so
I'm not promising anything, just saying.
So maybe a jerky holder, we'll see if you're capable. I know you're capable. I don't even know why I question that. So, yep, so we'll see that.
So when I started this job, I never imagined I would be measuring beef jerky.
And now the fun part.
All right, so now we are building the spine to the beef jerky bag, backpack in your car.
And then over here, we have our beef jerky bag for all your beef jerky needs. Easy access, very close to your seat.
Yeah, I like that.
What do you think of trying a panel on the passenger side because the dog is right there?
Yeah.
And then this side we can leave more open for
taller people.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So Matt and I were looking at it outside and we think this size is gonna work. This is a 14.
We're gonna go mess with the seatback panel and
Great.
Yeah. All right, bye.
Oh, you need to put it in the right holes.
Well, I'm sure we can figure that out.
He's gonna put it in the wrong holes, but that's okay.
We'll phone a friend.
They're gonna be like, this doesn't work at all.
So we are going to put on the back of this passenger front seat one of the organizer seatback panels that Blue Ridge is really known for. The modularity of this is perfect. You can add to it, take away. They sell a ton of pouches that work with this. So we're going to put it on the back of the seat now.
Okay, so in here we have a seat back panel, and then on it is this little side zip pouch with first aid, and you can add anything else to this panel.
It doesn't have really any cubbies, and even as you can see, the doors open up kind of funny even, but it lends itself to really putting some bags here that you can, hold your rain jacket, maybe an attic.
Yeah.
Is what we're looking at, because we love our attics,
Yes.
right? So we have one in the camper, we have one in the FJ, the Tacoma. So we think an attic would work really good.
So now I'm starting on the attic, and I have all the measurements. It should go together pretty fast, but we'll see. I think it'll work. We'll see. You access it from both ends. Velcro shut, because there will be so much vibrating and moving around. We wanted something where you don't just put stuff on top, but you can put it in so it doesn't just fall off. So we'll see how it goes.
So I think the items that I'm most looking forward to is really just the organizational piece. We have a lot of things that we want to bring with us, and there's really not a lot of storage.
Hope you enjoyed this little video series designing and building stuff around the Can-Am. We've never really done anything with side-by-sides before, so if you guys liked any of these products that you saw and you're like, hey, that's a cool new idea, I actually want to buy that, let us know in a comment down below. If enough people are interested in one thing, we're going to do a limited run of it, okay? So definitely want to see your comments. Let us know if you're interested. We will continue the conversation there, and see you next time.